Good morning, students. Welcome to chemistry class. We are doing chapter hydrogen. In this video, we will discuss about heavy water and properties of heavy water. Heavy water is the oxide of deuterium. Deuterium is an isotope of hydrogen with one proton and one neutron in its nucleus. Credit for the discovery of heavy water goes to Urey. Heavy water is a colorless, odorless, and tasteless liquid. As per its chemical properties are concerned, heavy water is chemically similar to that of ordinary water. However, heavy water reacts more slowly than ordinary water. So let's discuss first reaction with metals. D2O reacts with alkali and alkaline earth metals, liberating heavy hydrogen, that is D2. You can see the reaction. Vapors of heavy water are decomposed by hot metals like zinc, iron. D2O reacts slowly with basic oxide, that is metallic oxide, to form heavy alkalis. You can see the reaction of sodium oxide with heavy water, then action with non-metallic oxides. D2O reacts slowly with acidic oxides to form deuteroacids. Like ordinary water, heavy water reacts with carbides, phosphides, nitroids, etc. to form corresponding deutero compounds. You can see the reaction. Calcium carbide reacts with heavy water, and on the product side you can see that the corresponding deutero compounds are formed. A solution of heavy water containing sodium carbonate, when electrolyzed, evolve heavy hydrogen at cathode and oxygen at anode. When compounds having labile hydrogen reacts with heavy water, hydrogen is exchanged by deuterium partially or completely. You can see the reaction. NaOH plus D2O reacts to form NaOD plus HDO. Next is deuterohydrates. Heavy water, like ordinary water, may be associated with salts as water of crystallization, giving deuterohydrate. Just like ordinary water, heavy water can also bring hydrolysis of certain inorganic salt. You can see the reaction of aluminium chloride with heavy water, resulting into the formation of aluminium deuterohydroxide and deuterium chloride. Now let's discuss uses of heavy water. Heavy water is used as neutron moderator in nuclear reactor. Fission in uranium-235 is brought by slow speed neutrons. The substances which are used for slowing down the speed of neutrons are called moderators, and heavy water is used for this purpose in nuclear reactor. Heavy water is used in nuclear magnetic resonance, that is NMR spectroscopy. It is used in FTIR spectroscopy as well. Heavy water is used for metabolic rate testing in physiology and biology. Heavy water on electrolysis or by its decomposition with metals produces deuterium. Heavy water is commonly used as a tracer compound for studying various reaction mechanism. It has also been used for studying the structure of some oxyacids of phosphorus. Thank you so much.